Hi, I'm Tom Flaherty, and I'm here to show you how you can make millions of dollars in real estate virtually overnight. Well, actually I'm the product manager here at FrontRow, and I'm here to show you how you can use your new FrontRow Pro digital system. FrontRow clarifies and evenly distributes your voice throughout the classroom, helping students more easily understand you no matter where they sit. This does 4 wonderful things for you. First, FrontRow helps reduce your chances of needing to take a sick day from laryngitis or other speech-related problems by 60%, because it lets you speak at a conversational level, yet still be heard by everyone. Second, as soon as you begin using FrontRow, you'll probably notice an improvement in students' attentiveness, simply because it's easier to listen. Third, because you are increasing comprehension, you'll probably see a significant improvement in student performance. And finally, your FrontRow product acts as the sound system for your computers, DVD players, and more. Your system should have already been set up by a professional installer. If not, please consult your installer guide before continuing with this training. Let's get started. Your new FrontRow Pro digital system consists of 2 microphones inside this transmitter, a receiver, and speakers placed throughout the room. You'll speak into the microphones, and your voice will get transmitted from here to the receiver and then delivered to your students through the speakers. Your system is powered by rechargeable batteries, so the first thing we need to do is make sure they're charged up. Find your transmitter and install the battery. Any AA battery will do, but remember, you can only charge the special Smart Charge batteries supplied by FrontRow. Charge your transmitter overnight before using it for the first time. Now, place the transmitter around your neck and connect the clasp. Adjust the strap so it's as close to your mouth as possible. This will ensure the best sound quality. Now turn your microphone on. You'll notice the green light. This means it's on, the batteries are charged, and it's transmitting. If your receiver isn't already turned on, do so now. This is the only time you'll need to press the power button because the new FrontRow Pro Digital has a standby mode. It will automatically wake up and go to sleep whenever you turn a microphone on or off. Notice that the light on the receiver here is green, so I know the signal is getting through. When I turn the transmitter off, the light goes red, and when I turn it back on, the light goes green again. Adjust the volume control so you can just hear yourself when you're in the middle of the room. It's easiest if someone helps you with this. Remember that our goal is even coverage and clarity, not rock concert loudness. Using your system from day to day is extremely simple. Just come in the morning, disconnect the microphone from the charge cord, turn it on, and put it on. This will also wake your system up out of standby mode. You'll wear your transmitter all day long and speak in a normal conversational tone of voice. You can move freely about the classroom and even whisper and still be heard by the whole class. At the end of the day, just remove the microphone and turn it off. This will also send the receiver back to sleep. Just connect it to the charge cord and charge it overnight so that it's fresh and ready to go in the morning. Now that you're comfortable using your FrontRow Pro digital system to project your voice, you'll want to know about 2 other handy features. First, your microphone comes with an easy-to-reach mute button. If you're like most teachers, you'll probably want to have private conversations throughout the day. Just press this button to mute your microphone. Notice that the light flashes. The light on the receiver will also turn red. When you're ready for the whole class to hear you again, just press the mute button again. Another important tool you want to know about is OptiVoice. OptiVoice makes your voice even clearer by strengthening the consonant sounds. In fact, 75% of speech recognition comes from the consonant sounds. Set the OptiVoice switch to medium or high when the classroom is noisy, when doing spelling tests, or when phonemic awareness is especially critical. For example, when reading to young children. Now let's talk about some advanced uses for your FrontRow Pro digital system. If your school has purchased a student pass microphone, it's a great way to amplify and clarify your students' voices as well. If you are using a student microphone, make sure that it's on a separate channel from your microphone. Otherwise, you may experience some noise. For instance, this microphone is on channel B, so I'm going to change mine to channel A. With both microphones on, The receiver lights for both the teacher microphone and the student microphone are now green. As with the teacher microphone, adjust the volume for the student microphone. You'll want to charge your student microphone every night, just like you charge your microphone. Just drop it into the charger. You probably have audio files from your computer, CDs, DVDs, or even an iPod that you'd like to share with the entire class. The FrontRow Pro Digital supports you with full stereo sound. There are two ways to do this. If you're consistently listening to audio from a single source, such as a computer, you'll want to plug it in directly to the back of the receiver. There are connectors for 2 extra sound sources on the back here, but if you need more, just ask your FrontRow representative how to add them. You can also play audio through your system by connecting it directly to your microphone. Just find the cord that came with your microphone and connect it to the aux in port. Connect the other end to your audio source. Now for some basic troubleshooting. If you are having trouble with your FrontRow Pro Digital system, chances are it's probably something simple. For example, if no sound is coming from the system, start with your microphone. Make sure the microphone is on. The power switch should be in the on position and the power light should be a steady green. Flashing green means you're muted. Press the mute button again to unmute. If the light is red or off, chances are the battery is either low or dead. Double check that the battery in your microphone is rechargeable. This is an alkaline battery from yesterday. It's okay to use an alkaline battery in an emergency, but you won't be able to recharge them. I'll just replace this with my rechargeable battery. Now, if the microphone light is solid green, but you're still not getting any sound, the problem is with the receiver. Confirm that the receiver is plugged in and turned on. If the channel light is red, then you may be blocking the signal. These dark areas on the microphone, receiver, and external sensors are the communication points for your whole system. Keep them free from any obstructions. If you're still not getting sound from the system, even though the light on the receiver is green, then your volume may be too low. I'm going to adjust the volume from my microphone until it sounds right. Much better. Noise, crackling, or dead spots could also be caused by blocking sensors, trying to use 2 transmitters on the same channel, or low batteries. That's all there is to it. Pretty simple. If you're still not clear on how to use your FrontRow Pro Digital system, just watch this video again or consult your user guide. If you need troubleshooting help, you can contact customer service or go to our website. At gofrontrow.com, you'll find news, tips, and tools to help you get the most out of your system. Thanks for watching, and happy teaching.